Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm going to show you a no cooking Besan Ladoo. Yes, you heard it right, let's start making. So first you need some roasted Channa Dal and make this into a powder. Add some powdered sugar, some cardamom powder. Just mix all this together. And then add in some melted ghee. Just mix this nicely using your hands. If you require more ghee, add 1 or 2 tablespoons and mix it. Add some chopped nuts and raisins. Mix this. And then grease your hands and slowly roll it and make it into a laddu. And that's it. Our simple and easy Besan Ladoo is ready. It just takes a couple of minutes to make this delicious laddu. So do try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.